Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how can you open contacts and gallery in sketchware by sketchware app. So at first I am creating a new app naming contacts and gallery. Okay, here is the app. Now you have to set two buttons, width of match parent both, then give the text size of both 25 sp 25 sp and then set here open gallery and here open contacts. Okay, now go to component option and then create intent IC for opening contacts and another intent IG for opening gallery. Now button 1 on click, set here intent, set action, set data, start activity. This is for opening contacts. Okay, now set here data content colon double slash contacts slash people. Okay, now button 2 on click, that means open gallery button on click, intent, set action, IG, action view, set data and start activity. Set here content colon double slash